Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yo, I'm recording. I'm recording.
We got Tubby Frankie with us as well.
All right, everybody.
We got Tubby Frankie with us.
Okay, where's the
I have no idea.
On me.
Wait, what is it?
It said Chunky Frankie is chunking up and he's taking over our iron.
Who?
Ow!
His name is Chunky Frankie.
All right, I'm recording. Yo, how's it going, everybody? Today we're playing some Bed Wars on the frickin' Hive because this guy got banned, Danny.
It's not my fault. Hey, you kids, that is not my fault.
You got banned from the Hive Pixel, so we were playing the Hive, okay?
Kids got me banned.
Yeah.
Oh, shut up, Robbie.
All right, we need some gold.
Alright,
I just need some iron. Oh, there's another iron gen.
I need one more.
Wait, there is? There's two? Oh, snap.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna go head to it. I'm gonna head to another generator.
Okay,
All right.
this guy's going middle. He's rushing middle immediately.
All right. I'm gonna get some. Well, I'm gonna rush middle. I'm gonna rush middle with him. Actually, you get.
I'm gonna build.
You guys defend. You guys defend. Okay. All right. I need some iron. I need some iron.
Oh, yo, Tubby Frankie already killed somebody.
Oh, yo, hey, Danny, give me 30 iron. Give me 30 iron.
For what? No.
Just give me 30 iron.
No, I ain't doing that.
I'm gonna build a bridge. I found a bridge builder for mid.
Yellow's down.
Yeah, I can read.
Okay.
All right. There we go. I got a weapon. I'm gonna go rush people.
I'm going as well.
No. You two stay and defend. You two stay and defend.
I'm gonna grab emeralds.
Yes. Get emeralds. Don't fight. I fight. Me and Chunky fight. Okay. All right.
4 emeralds. There's no emeralds here. Specialist.
I'm gonna go kill green. All right. I got 1 emerald on me. I got 2 emeralds.
I got 5 emeralds on me.
I have 3 emeralds.
Alright, I'm gonna head back to base and use these.
I am too.
We got obsidian. You got obsidian, Danny?
Oh yeah, I can buy obsidian.
Please buy obsidian, please. And
Alright,
give me how many obsidian? I believe it's 8.
Blocks. It's 1 emerald for 1 obsidian.
Oh well, just we need
We get 1 obsidian then.
No,
I got 5.
we need
I just got 5 obsidian.
No, why would you build this? Danny, give me the obsidian. I know where to place it.
Alright. There you go.
I think we need 6, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
I built. Oh wow, that's a lot of iron.
Gabe.
What?
Okay, well, there's already obsidian here. Okay.
Yeah, we already got some obsidian.
Alright, did our boy... Oh, he upgraded our... No! He died. I need a diamond.
Alright. I'm
Anybody know where the diamonds
Dude,
are?
we're so annoying.
They're at the side. They're at the
I need some wool.
You can...
I have a bridge builder, Danny.
Oh, here, give it to me.
Oh,
Alright, boys. It's built. The obsidian's built.
Look at this.
We
So good.
we haven't...
Oh yeah, look at this.
Yo, that had 12 diamonds in it.
Danny, that is amazing. I'm gonna build a one to.
Do you have any emeralds left over, Pedge?
No, but
Oh,
go to mid.
Dang.
Go to mid.
I have. This is that was insane. I'm gonna be in another.
Dang it! All right.
That was what I was trying to get in the beginning,
Nobody take these emeralds, okay?
Danny, that was what I was trying to get in the beginning.
Nobody take these emeralds, okay? In the ender chest.
Yep.
I'm gonna go buy a sword with it, or maybe some armor. Yes, we have gold. That's good. Oh, 46 iron. 46 iron. Okay, I'm kind of stacked on iron. You buy upgrades.
Oh, alright.
Upgrades are diamonds.
Go with the. Leo!
Green is down. It's just us versus them.
It's just us versus who?
Green.
Oh, I need traps.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need 2 more gold.
Dude,
Is there any
it's so
gold in this
warm
chest?
outside right now.
Dude, here, Pedge.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Come here, buddy.
Alright, gold 3 has been activated.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Alright, I'm gonna get a ton of
11 diamond.
wool.
I got
For the
it.
chest.
Does anybody
Ran
need?
away.
I have 24 gold or 24 iron in the
Ran
chest.
away, Dad. Alright, save up for 30 gold to get the wooden bridge builder.
There's wool in the chest. If anybody needs it.
Alright, let's see. What was I gonna get here again? Oh, a bow. I need 5 diamonds.
I need to get some emeralds.
Armor.
Oh, I have 7 emeralds.
Where's the...
I'm a very important.
Alright, I got a bow.
Okay. Oh, 24 minutes, so sudden.
Doesn't matter.
Sudden death.
That's in a while.
Alright. I need an iron sword. I think it's, what is it, 5 gold?
It's...
No, 10 gold. Oh, I have 39 gold on me.
Okay, I'm gonna head to mid real quick.
Are you? I think I'm stacked. Anybody needs it? Stone sword and chest plate in the ender
Did we
chest.
win?
What?
I thought we won for a second.
Anybody need a chest plate? I see green. Chunky's fighting him. I'll go help.
Perfect.
Got him.
I wanted 5 emeralds.
We won! I
Hey,
killed him!
won.
Dude, I killed the dude. I got the final kill.
Okay, join your game.
No, don't join new game.
No, you're done.
Too late.
Gabe!
Okay, just do /hub.
Just do /hub. Alright, I'm at the hub.
I'm at the hub.
What lobby are you all in? Are you guys in lobby 2?
Hold up.
Are you guys in lobby 2?
Wait.
Go to lobby 2.
Alright, I'm here. Go to the one with the 4 people.
Hold on, guys, look how many tokens I have.
Go to the one with 4 people?
Yep, 4 people.
Alright,
Look how many tokens I have.
I don't care. I have over 1 million.
So, wait, I don't know. Maybe this one. Wait. Yay! I'm joining your team, Danny. Actually, wait. Oh,
what?
Is that Robbie's?
Robbie, I invited you.
I'm in Robbie's.
I don't know how to accept. How do you
I'm inviting
how do you
Danny.
accept?
Danny,
You
come on.
just,
Accept. Hey, there we go.
you press, you enter a chat and then you click on it.
There.
Like, I don't see you here.
What? I'm in a team. Dude, I'm so confused.
What?
Invite me, Danny.
I'm still on that team, dude. Wait.
Come on,
Oh.
hopefully we get together. Hopefully.
Alright, nobody mess with anything. Well, that's a fun map.
Hey,
Alright,
wait,
everybody.
do we have Danny? Where's Danny?
No, Dane's not here.
Danny, you messed it up. Okay, we're gonna beat Danny.
We're gonna kill Danny, okay? We're gonna kill Danny.
No.
We will win it, Robbie.
We're gonna kill Danny.
Wait,
What?
Robbie, you're still recording, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
This is gonna be a battle of the ages, bro. I can't wait to see this on YouTube.
Yeah.
I wonder if I should record my side as well.
Do you even know how to screen record?
No, but you can tell me.
It's very complicated. Not really.
Alright.
But it involves installing a few things. So you cannot have cannot
Sword.
really have parental controls on it.
I just need 2 more freaking iron. Dude, it's fucking on iron.
Wait, Robbie, what team are you guys?
We are team purple.
You are purple? You're across the map from us. We're team blue.
Oh.
There we go.
Hey, good job. No. We want gold.
I know, but I'm getting our get better stuff, to get building materials. That way they can build stuff over our bed.
Oh yeah, I should probably fortify your bed.
Oh yay! Thanks to our dude, we got Oh, I'm gonna build to mid. I'm gonna get to diamond gen. That way I can get a gold.
Alright.
Oh shoot! Alright, I'm dead.
You dead?
No, I didn't have any. I didn't have a sword. I need a sword.
Oh,
I need iron.
Let me think. What do we need?
I know. It's
What happened?
blocks. Wood. There we go.
I need this, and I need
Is there a gold gen over there?
this, and I need this. Alright.
I just died. Hang it.
If you die, or I'm not gonna tell Padge, but I'll tell you guys when. Oh, Blue's bed was destroyed.
No,
You,
shoot, that's ours.
Danny dies.
I'm gonna go kill Danny.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
can I
little,
get-
please, bro, come on.
Where's
Oh,
Blue's
wait.
base?
Dude, no one touched this diamond gen, so I got 8 diamonds.
There's Blue's base.
It's on the moon.
One more diamond!
No, I'm dead.
Oh, dang it! I was right here to kill you.
I'm about to get the 10 diamonds.
Alright, I got Blue's team.
Actually, no, I'm gonna get 11.
I got Blue's team.
Good.
Robbie, I'm right behind you.
You
Oh,
are?
you have 2 HP, Robbie?
I do have 2 HP.
You blocked.
It would suck if this guy just killed me.
I love that, Robbie.
I was like, you know what would suck if some guy killed me and then I died. Dude,
and then we're good.
get the. We need the
Robbie, what's that thing around you? What's that circle around
We need
you?
the gold. I'm
There
special.
we go. I'm getting it. I just need to get some diamonds.
Oh shoot, we're under attack.
Gabe, you gotta go. Oh, one guy down. Yo, unknown alpha got both. What is this skin this guy's wearing?
I mean, I'll take it.
Oh, there's more. They're coming back. There's 2 others. Oh, he just got knocked off.
Yo, what? What? Yo, that guy hacking. This guy's hacking.
That guy killed me.
He's hacking.
He got you, man.
Dude, he's hacking.
Yeah, but he got you, man. Nice, already know it.
Dude, he's hacking. I mean, he's
He
probably not,
definitely
he's
is.
probably just not hacking, but I don't know. He seems like it. Maybe not.
Oh, he's going. Oh. One of you guys is down.
Yo, oh, he's definitely hacking. He's definitely hacking.
Definitely hacking.
Dude, he just. Alright, I'm reporting him.
Oh, Gabe.
Are they hacking?
Yeah, he's hacking.
They were hacking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How'd you know?
Because there's no way.
Okay, I'm heading back to hub.
Alright. I went back.
Oh.
Okay, I see Gabe.
Alright.
Gabe's trying to